Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, the E Square Expertise. In the last video, we saw what is production possibility curve. Today, we will be seeing the shifting of the PPC and PPC with increasing opportunity cost. Now, to understand what is the shifting in the PPC, let us first have a quick recap of what a PPC actually is. So, a PPC indicates the maximum production possibility with the given amount of resources. So, as the resources were limited, we had the initial PPC. Now, how there is an increase in the PPC? Increase in the PPC is possible only by using the existing resources with a better skill or then using a better technology. Now, better technology in the form of there is an innovation or there is a new discovery. These are the reasons that can lead a PPC to shift. Let us see it diagrammatically. So here in the diagram, on the y-axis we measure y good and on the x-axis we measure the good x. We can see that initially we had a PPC that is AB, that is the initial PPC, and then there was an increase in the resources, innovation that has taken place. These are the reasons which has led the PPC from AB to shift to A1 and B1. Thus, we thereby understand that the new line A1 B1 indicate a larger combination of these two goods. That is, at A1 and B1, we will be producing more of good X and more of good Y because we now have more resources, or maybe there is an increase in the technology or any sort of innovation or discovery. As we thereby understand that the shift in the PPC is from the two reasons, that is either there is an increase in the technology or there is a proper use of the existing resources. Now let us see how PPC changes with increasing opportunity cost. To know this, let us first revise what the opportunity cost is. So, as we have previously also studied that an opportunity cost is nothing but cost of the next best alternative that needs to be foregone. So now to see how there is a change in the PPC with respect to increasing opportunity cost, let us understand it diagrammatically. So here in the diagram we can see that on y-axis we measure good y, on x-axis we measure good x, and this PPC is a concave curve to origin. In this, we can also see that as we move on this curve from one point to another, we give up one good to acquire the another. Here, to acquire 1 unit of good X on the x-axis, we have to give up some units of Y on the y-axis. Here in the diagram, we can see that at combination A, we have 70 units of Y and 1 unit of X. Now, if we want to produce the second unit of X, then we are supposed to give up 4 units of Y, and that is the reason Y decreases from 70 to 66. Similarly, if we want to produce the third unit of X, then we need to give up 6 units of Y, and this goes on. From this example, we can clearly understand that to get more of one good, we need to give away some amount of the other goods. This is what the opportunity cost also tells us. We forgo more and more of Y to produce an additional unit of X. Thus, this shows that when the economy produces more of good X, it will definitely produce few of good Y. So, the opportunity cost for good X is very high. And when the economy is producing few of good X and many of good Y, the opportunity cost of good X is going to be lower. This is what we also understand from the diagram. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, the E Square Expertise.